Mini tornado. Legit. We're going to die. We're driving in the eye of the storm.
This is ridiculous. Dude, this is insane.
I'm so happy we went tracking. Holy shit! Dan, I'm so happy I'm filming this right now.
Holy shit. There's no trees around.
That's fucking nuts. Get the fuck out of here. Seriously, get the fuck out. Damn, the ceiling, look. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Stop. Drive, you fucking retard.
Shit, dude. I hope you're calm. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Whew. I can't believe I got that on film.
Dude, I hope my car's not fucked up. I want to get out and make sure people are okay.
Yeah.